Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? In this video, I will tell you about the price, my friend, prediction of Chainlink and what we need to do: sell, hold, or buy, my brother. Everything I will discuss you in this video. But kindly, you need to watch this video completely to understand better and take a good decision and just only get a very good profits now, my brother. So Chainlink, one of the trending coin this time in the crypto market, is completely moving in upward direction, and that's one reason, my friends, they will move upward direction. And the reason was that, my brothers, to people are stop selling and they are starting holding, and definitely a lot of holders are starting investing. So therefore Chainlink price will be increasing now. The Chainlink price is not, my friends, cheap. The Chainlink price is very huge, 20.05 USD dollar, and the price will be increasing just in all the, as you can see, my brother, the speed of Chainlink 22.58% just in only per hour per week, my brother. So that's a very good profit chain occurring, my brother, and absolutely if they will move in this speed. So as is, it is okay, it is absolutely right, my brothers, to they will give you 100 USD dollar and 2025 or above, my brother, or above. There is a chance, so they will give you 120 to 120 150, my friend, profits now. So this is possible now. And let's see, my brother, this is the last 7 days chart. So you can see here the 20.07 USD dollar is the highest, and you can see here the current price is 19.97 USD dollar. That's a very good profits now, and absolutely, my brother, in upcoming time they will also give you a very good profit. So why you miss the chance? Please take a risk and get a very good profits now. Thanks for watching, holder. Remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. My opinion is, please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.